Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to print multiple pictures on one page in Windows 11 or 10. First, you should navigate the folder that has the pictures, and here I have four random pictures, just for the purpose of the tutorial. Now I will select them like so, or you can press one of them, then click on Ctrl plus A, or you can press Ctrl and select them one by one like so, etc. Now I want to right click on them, then click on print. Then I will choose the quality. I will choose the paper size. Then here you can see here they will use the full page photo in one page. So each page right now has one photo. This is what we do not need. We need multiple pages or multiple pictures in one page. So here you should scroll down till you find here this option 4. When I click on it, here now I have the 4 images or 4 pictures in one page, as you can see. Now after that, you should choose the printer, then click on print, and you're all done. Now you can put up to 35 pictures in one page, just like so. And you can even click on options and choose if you want to sharpen for printing or only show options that are compatible with my printer and so on. So click on OK and click on print, and you're all done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.